What are the financial instruments used in international trade? In today's global trade market, the use of financial instruments plays an important role in facilitating the trading of goods and services, both locally and globally. If you are watching this video, most probably, you have decided to use financial instruments for your upcoming trade transaction. There are different types of financial instruments that can help you to do trade dealings in a safe and secure way without facing cash flow issues. Financial instruments most commonly used by importers are letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank guarantees. It doesn't matter whether you are planning to use financial instruments to secure trade transactions, or you don't have enough cash funds to pay in advance, or you are looking to import goods on a credit basis. Whatever your requirements are, L.C, SBLC, and BG can help you to conclude your trade deals on time without facing any cash flow issues or any other risks. To avail financial instruments from rated European banks at zero collateral, contact Bronzewing Trading L.L.C, the trade finance providers in Dubai. For more info, contact us now. Email us support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us 971455196999. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.